everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you importing SSS in MRDCL Central. User can import SSS XML file or text file, SSS XML file, and SSS text file that can be imported using MRDCL Central. Other import features available are Advanced Import SPSS that is only available in MRDCL Central Plus license. It allows users to select an option on how to import the SPSS file, select the output file type, group variables to a multi-add weighing variables, and more. Basic Import SPSS is available in MRDCL Central paid license, which only imports variables as single DS and integer DI. Now to import, select the button to import SSS or XML button and import SSS text file button. SSS XML file and other text file will automatically be added to recently as a setup file. Select the setup file that was recently imported, then simply select the desired setup file to edit the run setup. You can check out the video editor setup file and run setup to know more about the editor and run setup.